You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Sometimes new things are difficult to how to do this, but after some times with the practice you can overcome these things. I would like to share my personal experience. When I start my career, I was very not familiar with the color tones, especially in the terms of techniques. So every time I just put the bright color, but after the sampling came out, the color was very sharp and too much bright color. And in next time I put some lighter tone, then it comes opposite result, came out opposite result. So my director call me and say and request to me to visit our technical department, machine department, and reset these things. So I go there, and I just sit on the monitor of machine, in the front of monitor machine, and just observe that how to follow these things and how to I did. So I compare these things and minor of things which I found very difficult to do to did. So after spending a full day there, I come back my office, and I just next time when I design my design.
Okay, thank you very much. You have spoken for around 2 minutes. The main thing is grammar, right? You've got various grammatical mistakes, and what you are doing, you are mixing past and present. What's the topic? Read it.
A difficult thing you did.
A difficult thing you did. Did means past tense. So what you did, you spoke in past and present mix. When you started, you said, I start my career. It should have been when I started my career. Okay, then you said call me, request to me. So you should have been called me and made a request to me or requested me, like that. Then you said I go there. It should have been I went there, I sat there, I did that, I came back. So all the mistakes are related to grammar, right? And along with grammar, sentence structure, how to properly structure your sentence. These are the serious issues at the moment, right? Although the thing which you selected for the topic, that is good, but there must be language support in terms of grammar and vocabulary. So you should focus that. And for fluency also, you are taking certain pauses as you are going on. Pronunciation is okay, but as long as your grammar and vocabulary, they are fine. If they are not fine, even this pronunciation will not help you. So looking at your overall performance, I'll give you 5 band.